We are in Yinchuan Airport today, and it's a good thing we've got a guide with us, flying China Eastern, because the agency made a mistake with my passport number. So we're waiting for that mistake to be corrected. Otherwise, you cannot get a boarding pass out of the little kiosks. Well, after all that, our flight is late. They had my old passport number. We are eventually flying to Xi'an or Xi'an. That's us M-U-X-I-A-N, home of the terracotta soldiers. We first visited Xi'an in 1989 on our first trip to China and saw the terracotta soldiers there. However, I remember nothing else about Xi'an, so this time we're going to do a whole bunch of different things and have different sights. China's airports have great security, and they always do a pat down and scan you with the wand. So do yourself a favor, empty your pockets, put everything in your packs before you go on through. Otherwise, they're just going to make you go through security again. Here comes our plane. China Eastern. They have a very interesting boarding system. Your faces get scanned. Scan on the footprints. We're at 57. Well, I think we could be a little further back, like way at the back, way. And we are flying an A321. We're pushing back. It's supposed to be a 1-hour flight. There's only one main runway, which makes takeoff and landing relatively simple. And we're rolling. Stop bottles of water, which is really all you can expect on a 1-hour flight, unless you're flying Lufthansa. Then it's a whole different story. We've got a pretty low ceiling of clouds here in Xi'an also. I think the weather is supposed to improve over the next couple days. Every traveler taking a first trip to China will visit Xi'an. I can say that without a doubt.
Pay attention to the boarding announcement.
Obviously reindeer. Looks like we're going to be bussed in. We're parking out here on the tarmac. Welcome to Xi'an.